Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur how to add attendees. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add attendees to an expense, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your SAP Concur app and be sure to be logged in with your company credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the expense tab on the bottom, then open the expense report containing the expense you want to edit. Then tap on the specific expense, example meal or event, and then simply scroll down, find the attendees section. Now here tap on add attendees or the plus icon, and then enter the attendee details like name, company and job title if required. Once done, simply tap or save or done to add the attendee and repeat to add more attendees if needed. Then make sure to save the expense after adding the attendees. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.